This will change how you see island life. The Dominican Republic is filled with vibrant colors and life. This is a place in the sun. The trip started here at Secrets Tides Punta Cana. The resort had it all: sun, beaches, and escape. We left the resort behind for something more traditional. At the sugarcane plantations, the island's roots came into view. Sugarcane has shaped the island for over 500 years. The trip took us deeper into the island. In the jungle, we found waterfalls and the local farmers still roasting coffee and cacao the way they've always done it, under the sun.
Little surprise back here.
Por ahí María se va, dulce como el caramelo. Por ahí María se va, y yo por amigo al dulce. Por ahí María se va, por una María me muero. Pam, pararam, pam, pam, pam.
Next came Saona National Park, only accessible by boat. It felt untouched. Just vibrant colors, Caribbean blue, and a place in the sun. Away from the coast, the pace changed. Life moved slower, but never felt empty. Life centered around family, there was color in the homes and joy in the streets. The streets got tighter and the horns got louder, and Higüey opened up in front of us at the basilica. We explored a local wet market. It was vibrant, busy, and full of life. This changed how we saw island life, not just as escape, but something full of color, depth, and life. This is a place in the sun.